Well, before we get to our local weather, a quick look at what was once Hurricane Patricia, now essentially just a very large area of low pressure, large storm system. Now gusts are now actually to only about 40 miles per hour, but of course the bigger concern, particularly here along the coast, is the extensive flash flooding. In fact, we still have some flash flood warnings active. You see one there between Corpus Christi and Houston, and a good area there of the Texas Gulf Coast also has a tornado watch because this system could definitely spawn off some tornadoes, and that is effective until late tonight. Certainly here a lot calmer. Take a look. Everything pretty quiet on satellite radar composite, but we are tracking a few clouds in the area that have pushed in the afternoon hours, and here is where they are coming from. We have high pressure here, a little bit harder to see that rotation, but very clear counterclockwise rotation with our next system that we are tracking. You see some of the precipitation ahead of it, and it will pass. Most of the energy will be to our north, but it will bring us enough cloud cover tomorrow to shave maybe a degree or two off of temperatures. It will move on, and then late next week we're actually going to have another system that will push through and will bring down our temperatures even more. Now take a look at Futurecast. Here we are, 4 o'clock, and we see quite a push of clouds as we head into the overnight hours. In fact, by 8 o'clock, cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and that will continue to be the case through the entire day. By 5 o'clock, still widespread cloud cover throughout the area. Any storms we are expecting to stay well to our north and to our east, so this system will not be bringing us any chances for rain. And as we move on into your Monday, everything looking a lot quieter. We'll be left with mostly clear skies on Monday and even sunny as we head into Tuesday. 80 degrees currently, very nice temperatures, which will continue for the next several days. Mesquite 83 degrees, Laughlin coming in at 84, Boulder City a mild 79 degrees. For tonight, 61 overnight, Indian Springs quite a bit cooler at 48 degrees, and Tonopah at 37 for tonight. Tomorrow, shaving just a few degrees off of those high temperatures, 79 the expected high here in Las Vegas, Mesquite coming in at 81, and Laughlin pretty warm at 88 degrees. Now here is your 7-day forecast. There comes that first system, maybe just a couple degrees off of temperatures for tomorrow, 79 expected. Then starting off the work week, pretty close to where we should be for this time of year, 81 degrees on that day. Tuesday, absolutely quiet, but then on Wednesday, this is the cloud cover, similar to what we're seeing overnight tonight, ahead of the next system that we are tracking. Will bring us mostly cloudy to cloudy skies that afternoon. Then, even though that day we're going to be at 79 degrees, the system going to drag in some cooler air for us, so that will drop us to the mid 70s on Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday. Some of the models are actually going a little bit cooler for Thursday, Friday, but for now keeping it in the mid 70s. Not any chances for rain, but it will bring breezy winds for us on Thursday and Friday.
Hey, you know, it's good weather there to get into the Halloween spirit, a little bit of like pumpkin carving, you know.
It's nice for it to be a little cool outside when you're doing all of that. Because if it's like 85 degrees, it doesn't quite feel like Halloween.
It doesn't feel like fall.
Yeah.
Thank you, Karla.
You're welcome.